Alis po. Nagulat na ako kagabi. Alam mo, natutulog na ako. Pag nakita ko text, sabi ko, oh my gosh. At sabi na alala ko, ha?
Nag-meet mo ba si Mama dati?
Nakita ko na siya noon, di ba, nung nakapartner ko nga si Miguel noon. Tapos sumama siya, di ba? It's either sa show or sa rehearsal. Basta na-meet ko na siya. And she was so nice. Ang bait-bait niya. Kaya tapos, di ba, itong lately, di ba, supposedly si Miguel ulit ang makakasama ko sa Challenge of the Champions, di ba? Pero, yun nga ang sabi ng taga-Channel 5 na, hindi daw pwede si Miguel kasi as of now, yung nanay daw niya. Tapos, nakaano din siya sa lahat ng mga schedules na medyo full na yung schedule. Sabi ko, ganun po ba? Pero so I know na talagang yung mother na talagang siya sick. So, ano bang ikinanong tayo?
Ano siya? Sugar, tsaka
Diabetes?
High blood.
Kasi yun.
Tumatawag.
Kamusta si Miguel? Okay. So, diabetes? Talaga?
Tapos high blood pa siya.
62 siya.
65 na siya ngayon.
Ay, 65 na siya.
Dito 60.
Pero ang father ni nakalagay kasi 62
Dito
doon.
nakalagay.
Ang father niya,
Wala na.
ay wala na rin. Namatay na rin. Talaga, ano rin ang kinamatay niya?
High blood din. Saka sa puso.
Ang nanay ko, ilang taon na nanay? Mga 70 na? Kaya kung minsan talaga yung mga ganyan yung mga bigla na lang nangyayari. Naiwasan ko. Talaga ang nakasadyang na, di ba?
Ilang beses na kami pabalik-balik sa ospital, mga 6 na beses na.
Talaga?
Kalalabas na niya sa ospital, 2 days pa lang. Kasi akala namin okay na.
Hindi, pero ilang siyang na-confine sa ospital?
Ang tagal-tagal na.
Matagal-tagal na rin?
Mga
2 days na
nakauwi na siya tapos bumalik ulit.
Nauwi lang na sa bahay.
Ganon. So saan na siya namatay?
Sa bahay na.
Mismo na? So kailan lang siya dinala dito?
Kagabi lang.
So I guess by the time na nag-text sa akin, siguro pagdadala lang. Okay. Mabuti nga at talagang ang glad na talaga yung tinext niya sa akin kasi talagang I felt so bad nung nalaman kung ganun na ang nangyari. Kaya sabi ko, tinext ko pa ito kasi yung sabi ko, siguro din ko may driver ako dahil mas ang hirap mag-drive, hindi ko alam saan pupuntahan ko. Tapos hindi ko alam na dito. Parang buti nga, Marikina, parang closer sa akin si Pasig ako eh. Dito ako sa Cambridge. Kaya alam ko Loyola, sabi ko, naku, kami sa Guadalupe, lagi sa Makati. Kasi pag may namamatay noon, laging doon sa Makati. Kaya sabi ko, ay, Marikina. So siguro mas
Kasi malapit kasi kami dito.
Balik lang po kayo
Tatlo na kami magkapatid.
Sino yung isa?
Yun nasa baba. Yan yun.
Balik. Ay,
Panganay ako, sunod yun. Tapos si Miguel ang bunso
Si
namin.
Miguel ang bunso. Bait na dun. Nagbigay nga ng complimentary tickets itong nila ni, di ba? So I never thought na I would see him again. So sabi ko, well, busy siya. So tapos hindi siya nakiang sa akin siya with us. Sabi ko, po kayo siya ulit makikita. So by the time nag-text sa akin, gusto manood. Sabi ko siya! Nagpadaan kaya sabi ko, sige, iwan mo na lang dyan sa music museum para talagang siguro pupunta ako. So yun, pupunta kami. Kaya, andun nga ako talagang nandun mismo ako sa pinakaharap sa andun, Miguel! Go, Miguel! Bakit talagang bata na number 1 fan niya?
Ito, baby niya.
Hello! Talaga? Baby ni Miguel? Sino kasawa? Sino kasawa niya? Why are you laughing?
Ako ang mami.
Siya rin yata.
Nasa amin lumaki. Wala mami. Nasa abroad.
Nasa abroad na? I never thought. Pero again, that's why sometimes darating na mga ganyan. Pero biro mo naman, gwapo, babae, lalaki. So actually, this is Miguel's son. This is my first time to know about it. I asked his mother and they said, shut up. So I said, well, I mean, it's a blessing to have a son. I mean, as good looking, as beautiful as this. Oh my God. It shouldn't be kept as a secret, right? Lahat ng mga ito nasa YouTube yan eh. Collection documentary. Kaya makita nyo lahat yun. Lahat nga yung mga dance namin ni Miguel, nasa YouTube lahat yun. Pag gusto yung manood, nandoon sila lahat. Yeah, di ba? What's your name? What's your name?
Miguel.
Ha? Miguel din? Oh my God, he is Miguelito. The little Miguel. Guwapo. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Ayun na yung mulaklak ko. Ah, yan na? Yan na? Oh, doon sa kabila, doon. Ayun, this is the flower that I ordered from Tessie's flower shop. Actually, I thought it was going to be like 30 minutes, but it took like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Hindi kasi dahil ina-assemble kanina, bagong-bago nila ina-assemble. Sabi ko, kung ano yung pinakamaganda, sabi, akala itong ina-assemble. Sabi ko, akin na yan. Ayun, mistika. Oh, diba? Mistika. Oh, see? Condolence for Mystica and family. Oh my God.
Mas pinakagulit pa rin.
Oo, yan.
Sige, punta ka doon. Tagalin mo yung punta ko na lang siya dito. Mapupunta ka na doon.
Oh, okay, okay.
Para ma...
Yeah, here's the, it's a beautiful flower. They're all like all white, but I said, you know, if you can make it really flower because, you know, she's beautiful, right? So, I mean, she deserves a nice, beautiful flower, I mean, bouquet of flowers.
Hindi lang.
If you can hold this bouquet. This bouquet? I guess it is. So anyway, Miguel's gonna be here in a few minutes. And some friends, you know, some friends for sure they're gonna be here too. And it's my first time here at the Loyola Marikina Chapel, so and it's nice, it's so peaceful, it's so beautiful out here. Everything is so peaceful and it's nice, so I love it. So I can stay here. I can actually stay here the whole day. Oh, thank you.
Hindi po ka nag-duty.
Ha? Hindi ako nag-thank you doon sa naman.
Thank you.
Nakalimutan ko.
Okay lang po yun. Bayad naman po yun.
Oo nga, bayan. Kayo naman kayo naman. Picture tayo, picture tayo. Picture tayo. Pwede naman dito, di ba? Pwede dito. Lahat. Lalagay sa YouTube. Okay, here's the family of Miguel. Actually, his sister, another brother, and cousin. Isa pa. Okay naman, alright.
Ganda ng ngiti yung
Oh, you know, actually, death is not just a time to mourn or to be sad. Sometimes, you know, like, she's got her own peacefulness right now. I mean, she's got her own life now. I mean, heaven, that's life, actually. So, I mean, I'm sure that she's already in heaven. She's watching us, and she's going to be watching us, you know, every day. And, you know, she had a good life for sure. I mean, at the age of 62, oh my God, I wish that I could reach that age as well. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be too old. But anyway, I mean, it's nice to really have, you know, to reach that kind of age and to enjoy life. I mean, live life to the fullest, so, you know, it's really nice. And just to let everybody know, she actually died, what kind of sickness, like high blood pressure thing, and then diabetic, she was diabetic as well, and she's been confined to the hospital a few times. So I mean, sometimes we just have to, you know, to really take care of ourselves, you know, and make sure that we're all, you know, we're always okay, we're always safe, and we're always healthy, because health is wealth, you know, that's the most important thing. You know, it's not like sometimes, you know, of course you're out there and then later on you don't know that something's going to happen, you don't know tomorrow you're gone or whatever. So, I mean, so let's just enjoy life while we are here, right?